think I found it. This is a 94 by 44 and 2 meters long, so there's not that much leftover pieces. And I need 8 of these. $120, that's totally fine. I'm still under 200 francs total with my tabletop materials. I bought now 8 of those woods. Those are 94 by 44. That's actually perfect. Obviously I will get those through my thickness planer. These pieces are about 2 meters long. I don't need this much. I will cut this a little bit shorter, that it's for me a little bit easier to handle. Now I will take these all through my thickness planer, only these sides which I will glue together, just enough that I can get rid of this round edge. I will first glue 2 and 2 together, and then I will let them dry a little bit, and then I will glue the rest. And only 2 together at a time, because I want to take these through my thickness planer. If I will glue all these 4 together, my thickness planer can't take those. It will take only 30 centimeters wide piece, and this is getting more than that. And I'm going to use Titebond 3. Should maybe order this kind of roller for the glue. It would be better maybe than this brush. I really like the silicone brush because it's very easy to clean. And also I like to use this Titebond 3 because it will give a little bit more time. I have here packing tape, so this glue won't hopefully stick to these pieces. It's been now drying about 3 hours. I think it should be enough for this glue. This side looks pretty good and even. Now I have to do the next set. This table is going to be so heavy. At least this tabletop, it's going to be heavy. Next I will take this through my thickness planer. I will first look which side is more flat. For example, this one, this looks very, very good. So I will just turn it around like so and take this through my thickness planer a few times. When this side is flat, then I will turn it around and take this other side too. These are a little bit higher, of course thicker than this middle part. With this thickness planer I will get these to the same thickness, hopefully. These are now very close, the same. Very, very close. I will take this last time, also this one, through the thickness planer. Because I have these here, I'm not going to plane this side anymore. I will do it to the other side. So this planer won't hopefully break these. This other side doesn't matter that much because you can't really see it. It looks pretty good at the moment. Next I will cut these pieces about the right length. Width, it's about right. I was planning to do it the 100 and it's now 101. One thing what I was planning to do in the beginning, I was planning that these sides I will make a little bit round, but I'm not going to do that. It would be a little bit complicated. This frame is maybe a little bit too big for that. This middle part, because there is these holes, this is now in right place. I can't make it more there. After that I can't fit those pop-up sockets anymore because of the frame. I will now cut all these pieces about to the right length, which is going to be about 150. I think this is about enough for this video. Everything is now in the right length, about width is about the right. Obviously I have to glue these all together. I will make it maybe in sets. First maybe this middle part I will glue here, I will let it dry, then I will glue these last parts. Obviously I have to make all these edges round, this corner I have to make round, and I also have some one other idea which I would like to try. I just don't know yet how I'm going to do it, but you will see in upcoming videos. It looks pretty big, and I was also thinking that is this frame too big, but I wanted to have as wide as possible because I want that there's enough space to sit. And also here you can sit in my old table, you can't really sit here. That's a lot of work, guys. That's a lot of work. And then I have to sand it. That's going to be crazy. That's one day job to sand this all, and of course then finish. So, see you guys next time.